Did you know Google Chrome has hidden developer options that aren't visible by default? If you want access to advanced experimental settings and extra tools inside Chrome, you can unlock them in just a few quick steps. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Now tap or click on the three-dot menu in the top corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings page, scroll all the way down and tap on About Chrome. Now look for the option called Application Version. Here's the hidden trick. Tap repeatedly on Application Version several times in a row. After a few taps, Chrome will start showing a small countdown message letting you know how many taps are left before developer options are enabled. Keep tapping until you see the confirmation message. Once enabled, go back to the previous settings screen. Now you should see a new developer options section appear inside Chrome settings. From there, you can access deeper experimental settings, debugging tools, advanced browser features, and other developer-related controls. You've successfully unlocked hidden developer options in Chrome and gained access to advanced browser controls many users never even notice.